How to recover StumbleGuys account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover StumbleGuys account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that you have the StumbleGuys app. If you don't have it, you can get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After that, you can open it up. And after you open up StumbleGuys, you will then need to tap on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right corner. After you tap on it, make sure that you're on the general section. And after you're there, to recover your StumbleGuys account or to log back in, all you have to do is tap on the connect button that is on the Sloppy account. Tap on it and now you can just choose any of these right here where you have connected your Slopely account, and after you do that you will have recovered your StumbleGuys account. Now just log in using your Facebook or Gmail, and after doing that you're basically good to go. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Just follow through this process and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.